money making tip for you and like manifesting money, which is that being grateful for it in advance. Like few days ago I didn't had the money to eat the food, and I was just like, oh my god, I want to have the food and fruits and all. So I went for a walk and I saw this lady, eating guava, and in my heart, I was just about to get upset, like, oh my god, I don't have the guava, how I don't have this and that. But suddenly I was like, universe, thank you for the money for the guava. Then I was like, thank you for the money for the almonds, thank you for the money for the cashews. And like then like a few like next day I received the money to get the food and all. And 5 years ago, when I was like just graduating, I didn't know, I was so lost about my life and all of that. And I was like, okay, how will I have the, moving forward, what do I do? Should I get a job? How will I have the money for the further education? I remember I set aside time, to journal, to take out my journal and pen and paper, and I would write every day, like, okay, thank you for the money for this, thank you for the money for the food, thank you for the money for my rent, thank you for the money for this, thank you for the money. And it's really powerful when you set aside time and and activate the energy with gratitude. What was I doing few years ago when I and I was scared, like, okay, what if I had to go back to my hometown and all of those things. But how did I manifest it? I started to write, I started to be I was like, okay, thank you for the money for my college fees, thank you for the gratitude, do magic, and gratitude in advance. So if you are in a place wherein you're feeling very sad and confusing and all these things around money, I understand you, I've been there, I do get stressed, worried and all of that about it a lot. And sometimes we feel so unsure, but don't get like the magic, how, we don't know the how, we really don't. But it's certain that when you practice gratitude, the magic happens for you. And if you have like so if you want something, let's do one thing, you whatever you want, you write it, thank you for the money for the whatever you want to have. Okay, for me it's like, God, I want to feel relaxed and calm, so send me the most magical amount of money that makes me feel so calm and so relaxed. And that's my intention. And I'm manifesting, like, it works out for us. Okay, so you be grateful in advance for whatever it is that you want to manifest, and be specific. And with the feeling, I said, like, okay, I want the money that makes me feel calm and free and joyful, with feeling, knowing, like, okay, when I receive this money, I want to feel calm. When I have this money, that, like, it's an amount, that makes me feel very calmer and very relaxed. Okay, so yeah. And if you have like lot of just, what do we say, stress, like negative stories around money, write them down. Like, okay, I feel like people with money are bad. Like growing up, I saw like growing up, I can't step out of it. Like if there was already stress around money in your home, then you will naturally be wanting to be part of that stress, to step out of that stressful energy and step into calm and peace. That would be not familiar because you have never seen it. And now by being in the stress around money, you are keeping the connection alive with your family, with your with your lineage. If you are the first person who is wanting to become a millionaire, what will happen? You would be in a position of power to keep the peace in your life, keep the calm in your life, plus bring that peace and calm to other people's life. So that will be very different. And you have to train your nervous system to be different. Okay, so dive deep and other stories, whatever it is. Like, okay, I never saw my mom or no women ever had the money in my family, I'm the first one who's doing it. Or no man, like there has to be energy of stress always. So you gotta step out of all these stories And by journaling them down, you're just releasing their energy, and then spirit will lead you. Spirit will lead you when you set aside the time to do this, to see what is going on inside your mind and all the repetitive energy patterns that you have been around. You will be led. You will be led. So you gotta trust. So to summarize, be grateful. Like, activate the energy of gratitude in advance for whatever it is that you want. Second thing, write down whatever the old stories, old mindset, and old patterns, familiar patterns, that keeps you connected with your family, but it's not like they're not serving you. They're bringing more stress. See them, and once you are aware of them, you will be led by the God, by your own heart, and by some book, some video. Maybe this video is a sign for you. Yeah, and you can book a one-on-one intuitive guidance session with me for deeper levels of support and guidance. And also my 12 weeks of mentorship will be very powerful for you. If you feel like you're not gifted enough, good enough, let me show you the magic that you have inside of you. And link of everything is in my bio.